Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today I am planting grape tomatoes, shepherd peppers, and pickling cucumbers. And Mark is busy burning holes in the fabric cloth with his torch. He wanted to cut them, and I said, no, don't use a knife, use your torch, because it'll fray, and the torch will do a nicer job. Unfortunately, I don't have a bulb planter, so I had to dig them out with just a regular little hand shovel, which was a little bit hard work. Would have been nicer if I'd had a bulb planter, but you can't buy anything these days. We're still under lockdown. So irritating. We were actually waiting for the T-posts and the fencing material that I'd placed on order about 5 days ago before planting this, and it was at the point where it's time to get the plants in the ground. And I also had one of my orders canceled on me because they couldn't deliver, so we found another Home Depot to order it from, and decided that the plants have to go in, and Mark can work around that to get the fence and the T-posts in. They are not so close together that, and the plants are not so large that they're in the way just yet. But hopefully we can get the fencing and the T-posts in within the week. But the plants desperately needed to get into the ground. The pickling cucumbers were almost a foot tall, and I've staked them with some small bamboo temporarily so that if they start to put out the vines, they'll have something to cling to. And so yeah, it's we're starting. There's so much more planting to do, but this back end where I wanted these 3 items planted are done. I still have another 2 rows to do on this fabric cloth, and they will be for Roma tomatoes and some beefsteak tomatoes. So I have probably about 40 different 40 tomato plants total. 20 of the grape tomatoes. It may be a lot, but everyone seems to enjoy them, and I do give quite a few of them away. So Okay, well, we're done planting now. There's probably in the range of about 45 plants. We have yet another 20 or so to plant on this ground cover cloth that I've laid out. And Mark has decided that he would water all the plants and wash down the cloth. That is one of the jobs that he always decided was his to do, was watering the plants. When we had our garden at our home in the yard, he would always make sure all the plants got watered. So I ran around, tidied up, picked up all the tools, made sure the garden was left clean. Well, he did his favorite little thing, which is watering. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll probably be doing quite a number of gardening videos over the next little while until the lockdown ends. That is one of the activities that is available to me without any issue. Unfortunately, I'm still having difficulty getting some supplies, but plants are fine, and I have a lot of plants to put in the ground as of yet, so it's all good. Yes, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.